So last week out at Con Expo, not only was I talking to a lot of contractors about using the Leica total station with the TerraBlade, but we also got on the topic of the AP20 autopole. And what the AP20 does, it enables you to not have to bubble your pole up or get perfectly plumb in order to take a measurement. And I thought about this application right here we were doing last week. We're down in the ground, about 5 foot in the ground, and I need to reference put reference lines for an 18-inch pier that's going to come off of here that we got 8 vertical L rebars coming out of. So what I did here, I was able to get down in this hole and around this cage, take the tablet off of the auto pole, give the auto pole to one of the helpers, and show them the basics on just keeping it moving a little bit. And then what I'm able to do then is go in here, select my pier, and then I am just putting reference marks on this rebar cage. This is easy to do because I'm down in here at ground level. You know, if this was a standard way of doing things, I'd have to be standing on top of the cage, which is going to be moving, which is going to, it's going to make me where I'm not perfectly accurate. Where right here, I got a guy on top of it, but he's just pretty much standing there, and I can get down low right where I need to be and make my marks. And what we'll do here is we'll put a rebar ring over this, and it's just to guide them on where they're going to put the vertical rebar so everything's where it needs to be. Perfect application for it, makes it safe. In this application, I'm also fighting vertigo. I came down with that after getting back from Vegas, so me just getting down in the hole was kind of dangerous, and I didn't want to be standing up on top of that cage. So right here is just a good example of how the AP20 can, not only help you and make things easier, but make it safer. So we did this on 10 of them in just a matter of minutes, and the guys were ready to come back and put the rebar in.